Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play I Need Your Touch, alright, by Keke. So this song was requested by somebody who's following my YouTube channel. So I have to play it. I'm playing the key of C. So let's go guys. I need your touch once again. I need your once again, impartially, fidelity, madijuale. Your touch, I need your touch once again. I need your touch once again. Alright guys, so that's how the song is. Very sweet and simple, okay? So I play in the key of C major, alright? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so the song, I started the song on D, alright? D minor, alright? So I did something like re, mi, fa. So when I end on fa, okay, I press D. That is D, A, and D with my left. Re, mi, fa, then I go to mi, alright, while playing C major with my left. That's broken. That's C, G, and C, alright. I go to Re, alright. I go to B, I play B, F, and B again. That's an octave with my left, alright. I end with La. Okay, when I'm going to C with C note, I play La broken chord, alright, that's La, that's A, E, and A. So it's something like this. Alright. Then now 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, that's D, E, F, C. Alright, so notice that this is D, right? If I take my chord inversion, I'll have this. Alright, so I'm taking, this is the chord inversion, so I'm omitting this one, alright? I'm omitting this one, so I consider just this, okay? Or I still consider the second inversion, and I consider just these two, okay? So that's what I've done. Then I do same for the third, because this is third, the 3, that's E minor, inversion, I will have this, right? So I omit the first, I consider just the third and the fifth, okay? And the same here for the fourth, alright? This is F inversion, I omit this one, I consider just these two, so I play even for the first, I do the same. Alright, so that's it. Alright. Alright, then the second time, same thing. Okay, now comes to fifth, that's G major. Once again, that's G major, A minor, that's diminish, 7 diminish 1, alright, that's 5, 6, 7, 1. So was not really playing the chord actually, but I do something. Okay, will give me G added 9. Okay, that's A minor added 9. Okay. So guys, so that's the song, and it's very simple to go with. All right, do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.